Mr. Shailesh, with C-2, a lot of people will not be admissible to Canada when you are coming from the States.
This will directly affect the third-party safe agreement between Canada and USA. So let's see how the law is passed. Right now, it's in a proposal state. There are a lot of objections from a lot of quarters. Right now, Amnesty International has made an objection. A lot of human rights organizations have made objections to it. So this is just a proposal at this point of time. It's not a law.
Okay.
But whatever the final law comes out, but the government has made its intention clear. So something is going to come out.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Come to Canada. It's such a beautiful country. Can't wait to see you. Introducing Canada to the world.
Introducing Canada to the world. Life Goes On Foundation, Toronto, Canada, LGO.
Introducing Canada to the world. Today is Canada Interesting Questions of the Day. I am here with RCIC IRB, Mr. Shailesh from Swagat Immigration. Guys, please make sure you share this video. And please make sure you're going to come to the Meet and Greet Festival 2025. Meet and Greet Festival 2025. And we have another program, Say Hi and Remember. Watch out, I'll bring the dates out. And our WhatsApp group, we are now 2,400 plus members. 2,400 plus members. Make sure you're going to tell your friends to join. And thank you guys always for sharing this video. Mr. Shailesh, how are you doing?
I'm good, Mr. Bruce.
Thank you. Mr. Shailesh is a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and IRB, Immigration Refugee Board. Mr. Shailesh, can you explain the IRB? Because there is a news in town now.
So, IRB means Immigration Refugee Board, which Immigration Refugee Board takes care of 4 divisions of immigration. One is the Refugee Protection Division, the other is the Refugee Appeal Division, third one is Immigration Division, fourth is Immigration Appeal Division. So, Refugee Protection Division takes care of all your initial refugee applications. Refugee Appeal Division is when your Refugee Protection Division, claim is denied, and then you make an appeal to further your cause. It goes to RAD, which is Refugee Appeal Division. Immigration Division deals with foreign nationals who needs to be deported, or it's mainly foreign national who are inadmissible to Canada. And IAD deals with most of the appeals from spousal appeals or PR appeals or PR revocation appeals. So that's immigration divisions. I am just telling you in brief, so there are more to it, but just to understand, in short, what these 4 divisions do.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shailesh. Mr. Shailesh, I saw it on the internet this week. All the people who seek asylum in 2020, they don't qualify to be in the IRB. Can you explain that one? A lot of people are confused.
So there is a new bill introduced in the parliament which would practically, eliminate. There are a lot of refugee cases which the government believes are falsely in the system. So they are going to introduce a bill which would restrict people from applying for refugee after 1 year stay in Canada. They will further tighten up the border. People who are crossing over from USA to Canada, they will have only 14 days to apply for refugee in Canada. So these are the 2 main, as far as immigration is concerned. They are going to further tighten up the border. CBSA will have more authority to scrutinize a lot of, stuff at the border. But people who are inside Canada, who particularly students and workers who were earlier seeking asylum, if they could not get PR, this was the trend going on. So the government wants to stop it. And this is going to create some upheaval in the market because this system had been abused, that is for sure. And so there is a curb now. The government is trying to bring a restraint for refugee applications. when students and work permit holders were applying for refugee. Uh, so they don't want this to happen because there are a lot of reasons why students and workers were applying for refugee.
Is it the same like the Bill 2C Canada?
Well, Bill C-2 Canada is primarily whatever I have said earlier. They are trying to, it's a border, safety act. They're trying to follow more stringent procedures at the border between Canada and America. So they're trying to overhaul the whole system, basically. So this would make Canadian immigration more, responsive in terms of whatever false asylum claims are being coming to the system. Further, it will also enhance security, border Canadian security, and a lot of drugs, fentanyl, which are passing through the border. The border security forces will have more enhanced power with the Bill C-2. So Bill C-2 enhances the power of CBSA, basically.
Okay. Mr. Shirley, that means the Bill C-2 will affect a lot of asylum seekers.
Yes, it's going to seek. It's going to be. It's going to affect a lot of asylum seekers who have been here in Canada for more than a year, for sure. That particular segment will be affected. People who are on work permit or study permit or on visitor visa for more than a year, and then now they claim asylum. That particular portion will be curtailed because a lot of students have started claiming asylum after being in Canada for 3 years or 4 years or 5 years. So I think in a sense this will give some transparency into the refugee system. It's meant for people who are really vulnerable in their home country, and the system got abused recently. So I hope this is a good step in a way for people who are genuinely in need. This will help them expedite their whole process. So Bill C-2 is also working towards expediting your refugee claim.
Good. Thank you, Mr. Shirley. Guys, please make sure you share this video and come to the Meet and Greet Festival 2025. The date will be out soon. Regulated Canadian Immigration Consultant, IRB, Mr. Shalish will be there for free immigration advice. There will be a lot of entertainment too. So share this video. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Mr. Shalish, so this means the BC2, a lot of people will not be admissible to Canada when you are coming from the States.
This will directly affect the third-party safe agreement between Canada and USA. So let's see how the law is passed. Right now it's in a proposal state. There are a lot of objections from a lot of quarters. Right now Amnesty International has made an objection. A lot of human rights organizations have made objections to it. So this is just a proposal at this point of time. It's not a law.
Okay.
But whatever the final law comes out, but the government has made its intention clear. So something is going to come out which is going to, affect asylum claims in Canada. That is for sure. The government wants to curb this issue of, asylum which is going out of hand from Canadian government's hands. Because everybody, whenever they get a refusal in their study permit or work permit or visitor record, people who have been living here for more than a year, they tend to run to apply for refugee claim. So the process for refugee has been very, very simple. So, unfortunately it got misused. So the government of Canada is trying to plug in the loopholes basically with this Bill C-2.
Oh, okay.
What it does, what is the final version, that time will tell.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shalish. Mr. Shalish, so that means in Canada, if you are in the US and you come to Canada, you have to seek asylum within the 14 days. If you don't seek asylum, you will not be eligible. Or
That's what the proposal is. So let's see what happens to it. As I said, there is a lot of objections from humanitarian organizations, such as Amnesty International, human rights lawyers. So we'll have to see what comes out in the final.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Recently, a lot of people call me Mr. Bruce. I want to change my legal aid, my lawyer, my immigration consultant, IRB. What is the process? Can you change it if your hearing is closer?
Yes, you can certainly change your counsel at any point of time. You can contact us. It's a very simple procedure. Just come and we'll send you some forms, sign that form, and rest we'll take care of it.
Oh, that's nice. Guys, Mr. Shalish can help you for your refugee claim, visitor visa, express entry, study visa, spousal application, common law, everything. Mr. Shalish, a lot of my friends are getting married. Some too are doing common law. Some of the advantages of a common law relationship in Canada.
Well, if you are in common law, you are not married to the person, but you have a long-term relationship. From immigration perspective, if you have been living with the person for a minimum of 12 months, you may qualify for common law application. So once you make an application under common law application for sponsoring a common law, you are eligible for a PR under common law. But as such, you'll have to provide enough evidence to the immigration officer that this common law relationship is genuine. It's not intended just to get an immigration status. So you have to provide, for example, your chat history, your photograph, your intent to live, together for more than whatever you have been in relationship for 12 months, and you intend to live further down the line in a long-term relationship. It gives you, in terms of marriage, you have to commit, you have to marry, and then you have to go, for divorce and stuff like that. But common law is not a marriage, so that if you want to count as an advantage, I don't know if that is an advantage, because the laws, civil laws for common law are very similar to marriage, except that you don't have to get a divorce certificate.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Shailesh. Thank you for coming. Guys, so see you at the meet and greet. We're going to bring the date soon, and make sure you subscribe this channel. You know the vibes already. Come to Canada, beautiful country. Introducing Canada to the world.
Introducing Canada to the world.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Come to Canada. It's such a beautiful country. Can't wait to see you. Introducing Canada to the world.
Introducing Canada to the world.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. We do this every day. Dusty D, come to Canada.
Come to Canada. Come support. You already know what it is. Don't forget to join the newcomers group. Hello, my name is #1 blogger. Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Charlie, untia ubeti. Just understand, hey, Mr. Bruce, never run show. Captain #1, Odogu, Wawunipia.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV. Come to Canada. Beautiful country, lovely people. Enjoy.
Keep watching Life Goes On GHTV, Toronto, Canada.
Life Goes On.
Yo, what's up, beautiful people? This is your boy Watermaya, and I want to tell you all, keep watching Life Goes On TV. Peace out.
Keep watching Life Goes On TV. Yeah.
Are you a new international student, visitor, or a refugee in Canada? Thinking of where to get help in order to enjoy your stay here? Then, Life Goes On Foundation is here for you. We help you with accommodation posting, job postings, and references, free advice from RCIC, regulated Canadian immigration consultants, sharing and networking, advice and recommendations. So, why won't you tell your friends and family to join Life Goes On Foundation? Because with us, you are sorted. Life Goes On Foundation. Together, we can make it.